Alright, let's look at the engine so far. I just mounted the turbo header and I mounted the TO4E turbocharger. See the turbine in there. TO4E. These turbochargers are rated at 500 horsepower each if you're using a lot of boost, but we're not going to run a lot of boost in this application. So two of these together should net this engine about 500 horse together because we're going to run low boost. This nice TO4E, that nice turbine wheel. Looks good on that 302, doesn't it? 302 cubic inch V8 twin turbo. Internal wastegates. Looking good. Gonna continue this build. And alright. This is how she's looking so far. More to follow.